going to address the why. So, yeah, they hacked my website, shut me down for a few days, did the best, and I get to punch them back. And it's really funny because the infection, the virus that they used, it rerouted everything else. And the website team was like, so how? I said, dude, we'll figure out. Well, I don't know, coach, I didn't like, yeah. Okay, so, I got to thinking, especially after we saw how organized there was, what they did to us, and took my team. And thank you, team, Humera and Marina. Thank you guys for working your butts off to get us back up and running in the 4 days. All right, so you guys get to relax and watch what happens to these people who started trouble. I already know they're sitting over there right now. Wait a minute. Okay, so yeah, those people sitting over there, they did the little thing, and they had all these everywhere and sending my stuff all over the place. Okay, well, I'm just like IT people. We ain't gonna spend a whole lot of time on the what. We're gonna address the why. We're going to address the why. But you know what? We're going to touch on the why to still kick your butt, but then we're going to end on the why, because the why is going to make you cry. 85 to 87% of the traffic of people shopping online are using their cell phone. Now, my response to this, I'm not going to respond to what they did to me. We want to talk about the why.